Okay, so here's the final look at the finished product. In my decorating tips video, I do show some of the decorating pieces. I don't go through all the matting because this was pretty basic and straightforward, but some of the different pieces, I do have it in my decorating tips video. So again, this is a 6x6 mini album. It's sort of inspired by an exploding box idea, but that's how I'm created the outside. I just want to remind you again, I used one 6x6 pad for this and one sheet from the collection with the cut aparts, and that is it. I had very little scraps left over. I used every single little bit for this little album, but essentially kept my costs pretty low, and it's going to make a wonderful little gift at Christmas time. So I have on the front cover just this cut apart from the cut apart sheet from Our Home to Yours, because like I said, this is a gift. And if we just kind of, let me just adjust things a little bit here. So it opens up first this way. So there's kind of lots of space for pictures here. Then we fold out from this side. So on this side, I have a little pocket, and I have a couple of little cut aparts here just for decoration. I put this little Santa Claus brad on here. And then I have two matting cards. I didn't actually put any patterned paper on these. I decided to embellish them with both Mrs. Claus and Mr. Claus brads because they're just too cute. So just a little pocket there. And you can kind of tuck this in fully or have it hanging out like that. Then over on this side, this opens up. And we have this North Pole Milk and Cookies Co. cut apart. And then again, we open and we have lots of space for photos in here. Okay, so that's sort of where we're at so far. I'm just going to close those. Now this flips upwards this way. And I have this little piece on here that opens up, which allows you to flip open to the inside and additional space for photos again. Okay, we'll just slide that closed. Slide this up. So this, I just, again, use these little cut aparts. This is from the 6x6 pad. And I just put them on some foam. And we open up. We have some more space for photos here. Okay, and then this middle section opens up again. So you can see why I'm saying this was a bit of an exploding box theme. And of course, we have a waterfall, and that's tucked under here. Okay, so we have a 5-sheet waterfall. I always leave this side blank because this will definitely be for photos, but you can put photos on both sides of these. And there you go. So I did also use some washi tape, you'll see in a couple of places, and I like it because it kind of ties it all together. I just use the same washi tape throughout. So you can use whatever you have. This is from my stash. I'm not even sure where I got this one, but I have a couple of washi tapes. These ones are, I think these are Simple Stories, but anyways. And there you go. So that's how this little album comes together. So it makes a nice little gift for somebody, or you can use it for yourself. I've had a lot of feedback. I've heard from people who have trouble actually figuring out how all the flips and flops work. So this book is pretty simple, and I think it would make a great gift for even an older person. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can see the full tutorial of how to create the base for this album in the link below. So if you like it, then hit the like, and I hope you subscribe to my channel too. I love to see the followers, and it just encourages me to do some more work, and it's just so much fun for me. So thanks very much, and have a great, awesome day or evening.